Individuals can take two central paths regarding bodybuilding: natural bodybuilding and steroid use. Each approach has benefits and considerations, making it crucial for enthusiasts to understand their differences. In this video, we will delve into the world of natural versus steroid bodybuilding and explore the concept of sustainability in bodybuilding practices. Additionally, we will shed light on the advantages of incorporating natural testosterone boosters into your routine. Natural bodybuilding focuses on building muscle and strength through proper nutrition, consistent training, and adequate rest. This approach emphasizes the importance of patience and dedication, as progress may be slower compared to steroid use. Natural bodybuilders rely on their body's natural ability to grow muscle without synthetic substances. While the results may take longer, natural bodybuilding is often considered a safer and more sustainable long-term approach. On the other hand, steroid use involves the use of synthetic hormones to enhance muscle growth and performance rapidly. While steroids can yield impressive results in a short amount of time, they come with a host of potential side effects and health risks. These risks include liver damage, cardiovascular issues, hormonal imbalances, and psychological effects. Moreover, the gains achieved through steroid use are often temporary and may lead to dependency on these substances. Sustainability in bodybuilding practices is essential for long-term health and well-being. Natural bodybuilding promotes a balanced approach that prioritizes overall health and longevity. By focusing on building a solid foundation through natural means, individuals can maintain their progress over time and avoid the negative consequences associated with steroid use. Incorporating natural testosterone boosters into your routine can provide a safe and effective way to support muscle growth and performance. These supplements are formulated with natural ingredients that help optimize testosterone levels, leading to improved strength, endurance, and recovery. By enhancing your body's natural hormone production, natural testosterone boosters can complement your training efforts and support your overall fitness goals. Understanding natural bodybuilding. Natural bodybuilding is a discipline that prioritizes building muscle and strength naturally, without using performance-enhancing substances such as steroids. This approach emphasizes the importance of sustainable practices that support long-term health and well-being. In this section, we will explore the principles and practices of natural bodybuilding, shedding light on the key factors contributing to success in this field. Proper nutrition is crucial in natural bodybuilding, providing the essential nutrients for muscle growth, recovery, and overall health. A balanced diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, healthy fats, and micronutrients is vital for fueling workouts and supporting muscle development. By fueling your body with the proper nutrients, you can optimize your performance in the gym and promote muscle growth effectively. Training is another cornerstone of natural bodybuilding, focusing on progressive overload, proper form, and consistency. By following a well-structured training program that targets all muscle groups and incorporates a variety of exercises, you can stimulate muscle growth and strength gain over time. Consistency is vital in natural bodybuilding, as progress is achieved through dedication and perseverance in the gym. Genetics also play a role in natural bodybuilding, influencing muscle shape, size, and response to training. While genetics may determine certain aspects of your physique, regular exercise and proper nutrition can help you maximize your genetic potential and achieve your natural bodybuilding goals. You can make considerable progress in your fitness journey by focusing on what you can control, such as your training intensity and dietary choices. One key benefit of natural bodybuilding is the focus on long-term health and well-being. By avoiding the use of steroids and other performance-enhancing substances, natural bodybuilders prioritize their overall health and minimize the risks associated with synthetic compounds. Additionally, natural bodybuilding promotes a balanced approach to fitness that supports sustainable progress and longevity in the sport. By following the principles of natural bodybuilding, individuals can achieve their fitness goals while maintaining optimal health and well-being for years to come. Exploring steroid use in bodybuilding. Steroid use in bodybuilding has long been a controversial topic, with proponents touting its performance-enhancing benefits and critics warning of the potential risks and side effects associated with its use. In this section, we will examine the impact and dangers of steroid use in bodybuilding, shedding light on the implications for both short-term gains and long-term health. Steroids, also known as anabolic androgenic steroids, are synthetic substances that mimic the effects of testosterone in the body. These compounds are commonly used in bodybuilding to enhance muscle growth, strength, and performance. While steroids can yield rapid gains in muscle mass and strength, they also come with a host of potential side effects. Short-term side effects of steroid use may include acne, hair loss, liver damage, and mood swings. Long-term use of steroids can lead to more severe health issues, such as cardiovascular problems, hormonal imbalances, and organ damage. Ethical considerations and legal implications also surround the use of steroids in bodybuilding. The use of performance-enhancing substances raises questions about fair competition and the integrity of the sport. Athletes who use steroids may gain an unfair advantage over their natural counterparts, compromising the spirit of competition. Moreover, the use of steroids without a prescription is illegal in many countries, leading to potential legal consequences for individuals caught using or distributing these substances. Despite the risks and ethical concerns associated with steroid use, some individuals are drawn to the performance-enhancing benefits that these substances offer. Steroids can increase muscle mass, strength, and recovery, allowing bodybuilders to push their physical limits and achieve results that may be unattainable through natural means alone. While the allure of these benefits may be tempting, individuals need to weigh the potential risks and consequences of steroid use before incorporating these substances into their bodybuilding regimen. Comparing sustainability. Regarding bodybuilding, sustainability is crucial for long-term health and fitness success. In this section, we will compare the sustainability of natural bodybuilding versus steroid-assisted bodybuilding, evaluate the impact on health and fitness goals, discuss potential risks, and highlight the importance of longevity and overall well-being in the sport. This approach prioritizes the body's natural ability to build muscle over time without the use of synthetic substances. Natural bodybuilders often experience slower but steady progress, leading to sustainable gains that can be maintained over the long term. By following a natural bodybuilding regimen, individuals can support their health and fitness goals while minimizing the risks associated with performance-enhancing drugs. While steroids can yield rapid results in the short term, they come with a host of potential risks and consequences for long-term health. The unsustainable nature of steroid use can lead to hormonal imbalances, organ damage, and other serious health issues that may compromise an individual's fitness goals and overall well-being in the future. These practices may lead to burnout, injury, and long-term health complications that can hinder progress and jeopardize an individual's longevity in the sport. By prioritizing sustainability in bodybuilding, individuals can maintain a balanced approach that supports their health and fitness goals over time, promoting overall well-being and longevity in the sport. Natural bodybuilding offers a sustainable muscle growth and strength development approach that prioritizes long-term health and fitness goals. By contrast, steroid-assisted bodybuilding may yield short-term gains, but comes with significant risks and consequences that can impact an individual's well-being in the long run. Bodybuilders need to consider the sustainability of their practices and prioritize longevity and overall health in their fitness journey. Benefits of testosterone. Natural boosters. Natural testosterone boosters have gained popularity in the fitness community for their ability to support hormone balance, muscle growth, and overall bodybuilding performance. In this section, we will delve into the role and benefits of natural testosterone boosters, exploring how these supplements can enhance your bodybuilding journey safely and effectively. Testosterone plays a crucial role in muscle growth, strength development, and overall performance, making it essential for bodybuilders to maintain optimal hormone levels. Natural testosterone boosters promote the body's natural production of testosterone, helping to enhance muscle growth, improve recovery, and boost energy levels during workouts. By supporting hormone balance, these supplements can optimize your body's ability to build muscle and achieve your fitness goals. Common ingredients in these supplements include fenugreek extract, tribulus terrestris, D-aspartic acid, and zinc, among others. These ingredients work through various mechanisms to stimulate testosterone production, improve nutrient absorption, and enhance muscle protein synthesis, increasing muscle mass and gaining strength over time. Compared to synthetic testosterone supplements, natural testosterone boosters offer several advantages for bodybuilders. By choosing natural testosterone boosters over synthetic alternatives, individuals can support their hormone balance and muscle growth goals without compromising their health and well-being. Natural bodybuilding emphasizes a sustainable approach to muscle growth and strength development, focusing on proper nutrition, consistent training, and overall well-being. On the other hand, steroid-assisted bodybuilding offers rapid gains, but comes with potential health risks and consequences that may compromise long-term well-being. By understanding the differences between natural and steroid bodybuilding, you can make decisions aligning with your fitness journey's values and priorities. Stay informed, stay motivated, and continue striving towards your fitness goals with confidence and dedication.